Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Sushi coin using the Trust wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust wallet, then go to the wallet section. And here, as you can see on the top of the screen, you can either buy or receive Sushi. Then tap on the one that you are interested in, start typing in Sushi, and they have also Sushi and Sushi Swap. Then choose the one that you're interested in, and then it's going to generate your own Sushi QR code, and with this QR code you can receive Sushi in your Trust wallet, or you can just tap on copy and it's going to copy your Sushi address and receive coins this way. Now the second feature is the set amount feature. Here you can type in a set amount of Sushi and you will receive a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive just this exact amount of Sushi, which is a very cool feature for payments or transactions. And with the share icon you can also share your QR code on social media. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.